Hello everybody, it's Sabelo from Santo Capital. So today we're gonna be doing the Euro USD top-down analysis for the week of the 18th to the 22nd of October. So what we see here on this is the monthly time frame, as you can see here. So on the monthly time frame, we see that the market for the past 5 months it has been moving on the downtrend. So here 1 2 3 4 5 months downtrend, including the month that we're in right now. That's all we can see. But when we look around here, we see that there is some sort of a previous resistant line level here, but then would change into, when it got here, it changed into a support again. The market broke it, became resistant again. It broke it here again, and now we are back on that level, so on that zone rather. By the look of things, we can't really draw anything right now here. Let's go onto a weekly time frame and see what we see from there. When we go to a weekly time frame, we see something very interesting. We see that when you come here on this level, you see that the market on this zone, on this level, we see that the market has broke the level. But then there's another trick. You don't only look at that, because this is a zone, not just one price, a fixed price. It's a zone. It includes all of these. If we put this one as well, we will see that this is not just a one. Is not only happening on one price. But when we see here, we see something very beautiful again. We see that the market has broke the top part of this zone, and now it went all the way down to the bottom part, and it broke it again. When you see, for the past 2 weeks now, it has been trading up below it, so, which is good. So what we see from the weekly time frame is the market is trading below the zone, and now we are looking for the short positions. We're looking to sell the Euro USD. But let's see what we see on the daily time frame. What you're gonna see on the daily time frame. So when you go to the daily time frame, it's taking forever. When you come to your daily time frame, we see a lot has been happening below this price, below this previously resistance, which now turned into a support. Previous support which now turned into a resistance. So what we see here is the market price. It broke it, came back up, retest, went down, came back up, retest, and the market is rejecting it from going up. So what we see now is beautiful. We're looking at the short positions on this pair. So when we go down to a smaller time frame, which is a 4 hour time frame, and see what is happening there. So we see something very beautiful here. The market has retested here this level twice. Here failed to break, it went down. So now it came, it failed again. But now we will wait until the market opens at 11 o'clock the South African time. What we see here is beautiful. And if we were to take a trade right now on this, we were going to be risking a couple of pips, which is I wouldn't advise us to do it until we see a clear setup, whether the market is going to break this thing to the upside or down, because we are doing the game of probability here. There's nothing certain. There's nothing for sure here. We're always taking looking at where the probabilities are most likely to, where the market is most likely to move. So when we go on to the H1 time frame, where I suggest, where I really feel comfortable taking my positions at, we see here that we are gonna wait. We have I have two things in mind. So either I wait for it to come all the way to come to retest from here, I mean to reverse from here, or come all the way to retest again, or if it breaks this level here, then I will be going short. Just below this, anything that goes below and closes, if these candles close below this level, I will go short. I will take my short positions, but then I can't really know where my stops will be. So until I see the candles that forms but my take profit will be here, around here. This will be my first take profit. I'm assuming that if it closes below that, maybe the candle will open here, so the stop loss will be just above here, above this opening, or the opening of the new candle, as we'll see just now at the 11. So this is what we are looking at. But then on a different scenario, if the market decides to come and retest here, this is what we will have, because this will now, which is something very good, something very good to us, because the risk the risk reward ratio will be high as well. So if we take these to position it here, around here, and assume that the market will come and retest this level, at this level here, so here, if it comes to these levels, then our stop loss will be just as soon as we see the formation of that, our stop loss will be around here. Let me assume we take a trade as soon as it reaches this level. Around here, then you see our risk reward ratio is now greater, which is more beautiful as well. As for now, Sabelo from Center Capital, I'm signing out.